Did you know that Procreate has a left-handed mode? All you have to do to activate it is head over to the little wrench icon in the top left corner of the screen, go to Preferences, and click on the right hand interface button. That was just one of many tips that I've compiled from my daily workflow that I thought you might find useful. And stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. You probably already knew this first one, but if not, it's a game changer. If you tap the canvas with 2 fingers, it undoes the previous line, layer, or anything else you just did. Holding with 2 fingers undoes many things. Do the exact same gestures, but with 3 fingers to redo. To get a color you previously used, you can either go to the color wheel and select a color from your history, or you can use the color picker. Just hold your finger down on whatever color, and it doesn't matter what layer you're on, it will select that color. If you want to recenter your canvas, just pinch it and it will fill your screen. Procreate has a full screen mode. To access it, tap the screen with 4 fingers and everything besides the canvas will disappear. In the top left, there's a button that will bring it back to normal, or you can tap again with 4 fingers. You can also save the size or opacity of any brush by going to the double slider, tapping on the little line, then clicking the plus symbol to the top right of the square that appears. Double tapping the edges of the color wheel will give you the purest color available. Pulling down on the canvas with 3 fingers activates a mini menu where you can do many things, including copy and paste. Here's a tip I wish I knew a long time ago, and it's never color on the same layer as your line art. Always make a separate layer underneath and make the layer above that a reference. To make that layer a reference, tap on it, and then to the left of that there's a bunch of options. Click Reference. You can add a reference image to help you with your sketch or whatever else you need by going to the wrench icon in the top left, clicking Canvas, then Reference. Or you can use iPad split screen mode, though I would not recommend it. Procreate has a drawing guide that lets you draw straight lines or angled lines. It's ideal for drawing cities or buildings. That's what I use it for anyway. To access it, go to the wrench icon, Canvas, then turn on Drawing Guide. Under Drawing Guide is Edit Drawing Guide. Click that and then boop Drawing Assist. Alpha Lock is another thing I use a lot. What it does is it allows you to only draw on what's already on a layer. To access it, click on the layer you want to alpha lock, and then tap alpha lock on the little side menu. Or, alternatively, there's a gesture, and that's swipe to the right with 2 fingers. Thanks for watching so far. No, the video's not over. Please don't leave. I'm just here to say that if you liked the video, please like the video. You can also comment an idea for a future video. I do take that into consideration. And also, subscribe, because I really appreciate it, and you won't miss my Procreate Dreams review coming out in a couple weeks. It's time for the bonus tip I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now, I do not really use this, but I think it's really cool. If you go into split screen mode on your iPad, you can drag and drop an image from photos into the color palette zone of Procreate, and it makes a color palette from the image.